Solaracloud AI has just hit the market, and you need to know these 7 crucial things before diving in. Whether you're an entrepreneur, digital marketer, or someone looking to tap into AI-powered automation, this software could be a game changer. Stick around to find out why Solaracloud AI stands out from the crowd and how you can use it to boost your productivity. First things first, you can actually try Solaracloud AI completely free with the first link in the description below. I'm going to break down the features you need to know and give you my honest take on whether it's worth your time. So keep watching until the end because you'll want to know how to get started with it today. Solaracloud AI is designed to simplify digital marketing and automation tasks. It's packed with features that promise to streamline your processes. But let's dig deeper. Unlike other AI tools on the market, Solaracloud's integration with multiple platforms sets it apart. It works seamlessly with your existing tools like CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and social media channels. This integration makes it extremely powerful, as it helps you automate tasks that used to take hours in just a few clicks. If you're looking to free up time while still managing high-level operations, Solaracloud might be exactly what you need. Another thing that caught my attention is the AI-driven analytics. Solaracloud AI doesn't just automate tasks, it helps you make smarter decisions by analyzing data from multiple sources and providing actionable insights. Whether you're tracking sales funnels, customer behavior, or marketing campaign performance, this software ensures you have the data-driven insights to scale your efforts effectively. One feature I particularly appreciate is its customer engagement automation. Solaracloud AI uses smart algorithms to segment your audience and send personalized content at the right time. This boosts engagement rates and ensures your communication is targeted and relevant. Whether you're sending emails, running social media ads, or managing customer queries, it makes the entire process feel more intuitive. If you've been struggling with inconsistent communication or ineffective email campaigns, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use. Unlike other AI tools that can be overwhelming or require a steep learning curve, Solaracloud AI prides itself on its user-friendly interface. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, and you don't need a tech background to start automating your tasks right away. This makes it perfect for marketers and business owners who want results without getting bogged down by complicated setups. But here's the kicker. Solaracloud AI offers unmatched scalability. Whether you're just starting or already running large-scale operations, Solaracloud can grow with you. Its pricing structure is flexible and designed to fit a variety of business sizes. So if you're worried about being locked into a one-size-fits-all plan, Solaracloud's scalability ensures you'll always have the right tools at your disposal. Another key point is that Solaracloud AI focuses on security. As digital marketers, we know how important data security is. Solaracloud ensures that your customer information is stored safely and that their AI-driven automations comply with data protection regulations. With everything happening online today, you can't afford to use a tool that compromises your data security. Before I wrap up, I want to mention the fact that Solaracloud is constantly evolving. With new updates rolling out regularly, you can expect even more features to make your marketing smarter and more efficient. If you like staying ahead of the curve, this software is something you'll want to keep your eyes on. If you're interested in trying out Solaracloud AI for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description below to get started for free. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and this one has quickly risen to the top of my recommended list. In fact, if you're into AI software and want to check out more tools like this, I've listed my personal favorites in the description below. All of them are free to try, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those links.